Talked about classifying the polynomial or naming the polynomial. Okay, so degree, number of terms. All of these are in standard form, 1 through 6. So they're all in SF, all in SF. Okay, so yay. So no standard form 1 through 6. Okay, so if I want to do one of them, like this would be degree 0 or 1? 0. And how many terms? 1 term. Okay, so you're welcome to give me that. Some of you have even started going D0, T1. That's fine. I could accept that. Or you can, if you want to use the formal. Oh my God, you guys, I forgot the constant. Constant monomial. Or constant monomial. Okay. Do you want me to do another one, 1 through 6? You just have to give me that 0, 1. So either degree 0, 1 term, or some students are writing this. If you want to be a very formal mathematics, constant monomial, but you don't have to. Remember, you don't have to use the words at all. Okay. Is there another one that looks weird, or are you guys okay? You're good. Okay, so then if I look at 7, 8, 9, and 10, here they want you to write it in standard form. So all of these are not in standard form. Okay, so remember, number 7, standard form is you're putting it in the exponents, and you're going from big to small, which the smallest one is usually a constant, right? It's just the number without the variable. So this is a 4, so 3y to the 4th. Then this one, 2y cubed, then the y squared, minus 7y minus 4. Okay, 8 you guys could do. 9 and 10 really quick, and then I'll stop the video. I'll wait 5 minutes, and I'll pick up 11, 12. Okay, 9 and 10, if you look at it, notice how there's 2 different variables. So if you see 9, see how you have the letter B, but then the next term you have A and B. And then this one you have A, so you're like, how do I put it in order? Because I have a 2, I have a 1, I have a 1, I have a 2, like what do I do? And then if you look at 10, you have M's and N's. So you have M2, N2, M1, N cubed, M3, N1. So you're like, how do I do that? Okay. If you have any of these on a quiz or a test, I never dock you for standard form. The whole point of it is for you guys to add and subtract like terms. And so we're trying to get you guys to understand bases and exponents and whether you mess with them or not. So that's kind of how we try and get you guys to where we see whether or not you understood the concept. If you guys are going PSAT, which you guys take October 15th, maybe like 9 and 10, you might get one of those because they're just testing you guys so you understand the rules of bases and exponents. Okay, so if you ever want to put them in standard form, you go by the letter that's alphabetically first. Okay, so here, let me just write big. Okay, so I have A's and B's. A is alphabetically before the letter B, right? Okay, so you put it in order based off of the A's. So, oh wait, this is A squared. Okay, so I look at my A, no A, I have 1 A, and I have 2 A's. So based off the A's, this is going first, this is second, and this is third. So I would write 7A squared plus 5AB minus 2B squared. And so if you look, your A is 2, 1, 0. But look what's happening to my B. No B, 1B, 2 B's. So in im2, second semester, you cover, so next year, like 18 months from now, you guys will cover the binomial theorem or Pascal's triangle. That's when that comes up. So that's why we don't dock you guys for standard form. When you do see it, it's because we're going to have you guys adding like terms. It's not on the sheet though. Okay. So anyways, that's what, oh, I didn't write it down. So this is standard form. Okay, So if you look at 10, you have m's and n's. You go by m. So I have a 2, I have a 1, and I have a 3. So that means this comes first, this comes second, this comes third. Yeah? So it should be m cubed n minus 3m squared n squared plus 8 mn cubed? Yeah. Okay, I'll stop the video and then I'll go to adding and subtracting. Yeah? Is that what you guys could? Okay.